Alright, we're now inside Payhip, so let's take a look at how to create or add our first product, okay? As you can see, the interface is quite simple once we've logged in. Here we have the product dashboard, store, analytics, and marketing. Pretty straightforward, right? So we just click here on add first product, got it, and we click add product. We choose the product type, physical, membership, coaching service, etc. Let's pick, for example, a membership, sure. We enter the membership name, click add membership, and it says, this membership has 0 posts published. So we click manage posts, then create new post, and from here we can add the type of content we want. Text, video, image, link, and so on, okay? So for example, with text, everything works pretty much the same, right? We put a title here, content, upload a file if needed, and it asks who can view the post. All members or just those with specific payment plans, okay? Once we have it, we just hit publish, or if we don't want to publish yet, we can schedule it to be published at a specific time. This applies to all the tools, alright? Now there should theoretically be a post. There it is, a published post. We click manage posts, and now this post will appear, okay? So here we can do manage products, right? And also change products if necessary. We have settings and all the pages, pricing, and all this is part of the product. In this case, the membership, okay? Members in the membership, video library if there are videos, and so on. Okay? Again, all this is part of the product, and each product works in its own way, right? If we want to receive payments, we go to setup checkout, okay? And here we configure. We can also customize our store, alright? To customize our store design, just go to the customization section, that's it.